What is up, guys? Thank you very much for tuning into my channel. If you guys aren't subscribed yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button as well. This is just a quick update on how my portfolio is doing. I've made some new moves this week. As you can see, I am considerably up on my investment as well as on my return. This is because the stock market has been doing very well this week, the past week and the beginning of this week. Not so much today though, but however, stocks are beginning to go back to normal, and the stock market is beginning to go back to normal to what it was before. So I decided to increase my stake on my portfolio and buy some new shares. So I'm just gonna go through it very quickly for you guys to have some idea. So I still have one share at AMD. I decided to keep AMD. I was thinking about selling it, but it started to give me some nice returns. So, and because it's a technological company, I believe there is without a shadow of a doubt that it's going to continue to increase in the future, especially now with the pandemic, that some businesses are going to start changing their way of doing business, are going to go and push more for technology. So I believe that AMD is going to increase is going to see some increase in their revenue. The next one is Alphabet, which is Google. I decided to buy some shares of Google. Already seeing some nice returns of £5.53. The next one I decided to buy is Amazon, 0.25 shares at Amazon. If you guys don't know, the app that I use is Trading212, and you're allowed to buy fractional shares at Trading212. So I decided to buy 0.25 shares at Amazon, and already seeing a very nice return of £14.61. Decided to keep one share at Apple with a return of £27.82. Have one share at AT&T with a return of £1.78. Quite disappointed with this return. But as you can see, AT&T still has a long way up to go, so I'm just waiting on that. Next one is Aviva. A bit disappointed with Aviva. For some reason, the stock went down this week. It's been going down, but I still believe that they're gonna go back up. They're a company that does considerably well in the long term, so I believe they will do well. Next one is Bank of America, seeing some nice returns on there. 3 shares with an average return of £5.08. Barrett Developments, it was higher on Friday, on Monday, but it went down today. But because I got in a really nice position, I'm still seeing returns of £4.98. Delta Airlines, surprisingly, it went down, but because I also got in a position in the peak, not peak, but when it was at the bottom. So although it has been down today, it's not down enough to cut off my returns. Next one is 20 shares at Ford with a return of £4.50. Royal Caribbean, very nice returns with a £26.91. Southwest Airlines, very disappointingly. I don't know why it's gone down. The United States government have announced that they were the bailout for the airlines company, and Southwest Airlines is one of them. For some reasons, it's gone down after the news. Not sure why, because it was already expected. Seeing a negative return of £8.34. Decided to buy 3 more shares compared to the last video that you saw. So I also have shares at Square, as you know, is owned by Jack Dorsey. Is a financial company, £3.38. And Tesla, the big player. Tesla has gone up considerably this week as well, the past week as well. And I'm seeing really nice returns of £310.02. So in total, that gives me a return of £400.35. I'm expecting, once things go back to normal, to see at least 3 to 4 times the return that I have now. Hopefully that's the case, because that was my strategy in the beginning. I'm not gonna go and put in more money in my portfolio. I think this is it for now. Just gonna wait on nice returns, and this is pretty much it. Thank you very much for tuning in, guys, and for staying focused during the video. Hope you guys like it and you can get some advice from my investment. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thank you very much, guys, and enjoy.